Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know, every Friday for the month of December, I've been sharing with you some cocktail recipes so that you can get in the festive spirit for the holidays. I usually have a special guest with me, my mom. She's goofy and loves to make cocktails with me, but she's out of town, so just me today. But my aunt sent me this recipe. She wanted to come be in this video, but she doesn't live very close, so it didn't work out. Anyways, I told her I'm still gonna make this recipe because it looks absolutely amazing. It is a Snickerdoodle Martini, and it's gonna be in this most beautiful glass ever. So I have vodka, I have Irish cream. You can use Bailey's. This is kind of like a knockoff, cheaper version. Caramel syrup, heavy whipping cream. Then I'm going to line the rim with caramel, some cinnamon and sugar all mixed together. And then I've been adding every week that I've done cocktails this gold sparkly edible glitter. It has been so fun and so festive. I've gotten a few comments, so I want to let you know I got this on Amazon, so I'll put a link to it in the description box. It is so fun to make your drinks, just so festive. I mean, it's edible, it's tasteless, but it is seriously so cute. So let's get this drink all made up. I have my shaker with ice, and there's a little measuring thing on my little cap here, but I'm gonna do 2 ounces of vodka. And you can use any kind of vodka you like. We use Tito's mostly in our family. So 2 ounces of vodka. I'm gonna do 1 ounce of the Irish cream. And I love this stuff. It is so good in hot chocolate or coffee in the morning, but I mean, not in the morning always, but if you're like on vacation or something. Caramel syrup. This is also really awesome, like coffee flavoring. So 1 ounce of this. And then it's gonna be 2 ounces of heavy whipping cream. All right, so this is all made up. I'm gonna give it a shake, but I have to line my rim first with my glass. So, all right. Okay, here is that. But I have my sugar and some cinnamon. So I'll add that on. I'm gonna add the glitter in here as well. I'm not sure if you can see it, but makes it super sparkly. So I'm gonna add onto my plate some caramel. All right, let's line this glass with the caramel first. I mean, this glass is so pretty. I just love it. Okay, so now I'll line it with the cinnamon, sugar, and sparkles. Okay, so pretty. I love Snickerdoodle cookies, so Snickerdoodle cocktail will be amazing. The caramel's kind of dripping from the glass. Cheers. Ooh, this is so good. I love it. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Aunt Michelle, for sending me this recipe. It is seriously absolutely delicious. So good. You guys have to make this one. Oh my gosh, I am in love. So perfect for the holidays. Like I said, I have been doing cocktail videos every Friday this month, so make sure you check out my other videos. I've been doing a video actually every day this month, so if you're new to my channel, make sure you check out all of my festive holiday videos, and make sure you subscribe also. I hope you're having a wonderful day, have a wonderful weekend, and happy holidays, and make sure you make this drink. It's so easy and it's so delicious. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.